Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Steam account. So here in the home page we're going to go over to the top right corner where we have our profile name. We're going to click on the drop down menu and here we have account details. We're going to select account details and on this page we're going to scroll down. And when we scroll down we're looking for our account deletion option and here we have delete my Steam account. So all you need to do is to click on delete my Steam account. And on this page, you're going to go through 3 steps to delete your account. The first step is to verify the ownership of this account. So of course, if you verified it already, this should be smooth. The second step is to wait for the Steam support to respond to your request to confirm your information. And the third step, your account will be locked and then deleted in 30 days. It's important to note that you can cancel the account deletion option by contacting Steam support within the 30 days. If you understand all of this, all you need to do now is to go down to the bottom and proceed to account deletion. This will kickstart the process of deleting your account. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.